Oh, hey, what's up, Simba's? I'm Simba, and today I'm playing Animal Jam, of course. And I'm just gonna be talking, well, this is an Animal Jam talk. This is Animal Jam fun. Number 7. I'm almost 10, kind of. But I'm just gonna talk about stuff, so, yeah. I don't know what to talk about, really, because there's not much. But try and talk about something important that's happening right now, which isn't really anything. But I guess giveaway, if you haven't entered, then please do. Oh no. Oh crap, what did I do? Really move. What? Can you pause it? Oh my god, that didn't work.
Hola, Misha.
Sorry, my notifications keep going off. Well, that didn't work. That totally sucked. Okay, maybe it'll work now. Where's the gamepad? Okay, I don't know what to do. What does this do? Oh. This is a gamepad. Here's the gamepad. Here we go. Let's try this again. See if it works. Oh my god, it works. Okay, good. Finally. Where'd it go? Oh. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna talk about how the channel is progressing and how I kind of feel like I should have been taking care of this. But here we go. So one thing about the channel progressing is that I don't like how I don't have active subscribers. Okay, and I don't have real subscribers. Some of my subscribers are spam accounts, etc. And I don't really feel comfortable with having spam accounts subscribing to me and then commenting on my videos, stuff like check out my channel, subscribe to my channel, because I had it a lot when I was doing song videos and all my other old videos that I've deleted now because I'm not very happy about them. But also the fact that I don't really have an interestable amount of comments on my videos. I mean, I do have some hate, specifically 2 people that are hating me, but still subscribe to my channel. That makes some sense. Makes so much sense. But anyway, I'm going to explain why I think this. And that's because there's so many people that have subscribed to my channel and never commented or really liked or been active on my videos. Like, when I get a computer, I'm going to stream, and it might be a similar conversation. But yeah. God, this video is gonna be so short if I don't like do something else. Okay, that was the most I've ever gotten. This is gonna be hard up here. Can you move the gamepad? That was not quiet. I don't know what this is like weird right now. But so let's just talk about this. I've been very inactive on YouTube, as you can tell, for the past few days, and it's really weird because I've been just really inactive, as in videos, and weird how I usually used to be so active. But yeah. But there's a third side to that, is because I'm having the 30 sub giveaway, I'm getting closer to 100, I guess, kind of, a little, I don't know. But yeah, I don't exactly know yet what I'm giving away for 100, but I'm gonna probably try and gain a decent spike for that. But definitely the giveaway will be ended after I get membership and a computer, because right now I'm not on a computer. So yeah, I'm not ending the video right now because I need a long video. Watch time. I need those views. I'm kidding. Bored. Ticks. Okay, if you guys like this video, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.